Good morning and welcome back. It's another episode, and yeah, if you're wondering why we're in the truck, it's because we are on the way to Dover International Speedway. Really exciting for me. It's a route that I'm driving now. The route is very familiar to me, as it's the same route that we take when we drive down to H2O, or what used to be H2O. And it's really cool because as I'm driving along, I get to see all the spots where my cars have broken down, or friends' cars have broken down, cars in our caravan have broken down. Nonetheless, a lot of our cars break down on the way to H2O. Anyway, we're on the way to Dover though, which is about half the distance for my first event with First State Drift. I'm really excited to do an event with these guys. I've been wanting to drift down there for years now, as it's kind of the local series for a bunch of my friends. They go. It's really laid back. It's just a parking lot drift, a lot of fun, tons of seat time, great course, great atmosphere. So I'm really looking forward to enjoying the day. However, if you can hear that noise in the background, that's the sound of the windshield wipers. So it's a little bit wet right now. It's supposed to dry up throughout the day. So hopefully that just means maybe a little bit of wetness in the morning, and some proper shred in the afternoon. That being said, I'm probably not going to go crazy with filming today. Just been running around recently and doing a ton of filming of other stuff. So I really just can't be bothered. Plus I forgot the tripod, I forgot a lot of stuff. But yeah, get back to the driving. See you when you get there. Okay, so quick update. The morning went great. Got teched in, driver's meeting, actually put down maybe 4 or 5 pretty decent laps. The car feels awesome. The alignment feels great. Everything feels awesome. The villain's angle feels awesome. Car's driving phenomenal. And then I'm gridded up and the car dies. So quickly get the car pushed out of the way. Thank you again to all of the guys working here at First State Drift today. They were super helpful, gave me a tow back to the pits. Like no questions asked, like why wouldn't we help you out? So it was just really cool. And again, just another testament to just the community around drifting in general. So the latest is I did a couple tests. I pulled I wasn't getting any fuel pressure, so the fuel pump likely dead. Wasn't making any noise. So I pulled that out, tried jumping it, and nothing. So that thing is dunzos. Fast forward about 30 minutes later, just making frantic phone calls to all of the auto parts stores around, and then obviously you know how that goes. You call them up, you say, hey, I need like a 255 liter fuel pump, just any kind of high performance fuel pump. And they say, your make and model. Alright dude, it's a 1990 Nissan 240SX with a fucking V8 Chevy engine in it. So, Frito's idea is just go there, go to Pep Boys, they have a speed shop, see what happens, maybe you can look and find something on the shelf.
Initial D. Initial D.
Okay, I'm leaving Pep Boys right now, and what do you know? They have a Walbro 255 fuel pump. So thanks to Frito for encouraging me to just go anyway and not listen to the person on the phone. So yeah, thankfully they had one there. I've purchased it, and this just turned into a how to install a fuel pump video. Moment of truth. Here we go. Guys, all packed up, headed home. What a day. Oh my god. Like, everything from just the challenge of getting there and the fuel pump, like, I was definitely in a bad spot, you know, like 10, 11 a.m. and the car's already broken. What are we gonna do? But thankfully I was able to fix it, get back out there, and really have some of the best runs I've ever put down. The car just felt planted. It was dialed so good. You know, it was a really cool confidence point to when you get to the point where you're adding in more grip. That feels really good. That's when you know things are in sync, they're clicking well, and it just felt great to be out there. It was a great group of drivers today, really good atmosphere, and just a really great day overall. So thank you again so much, First State Drift. I had a great time. Can't wait to get back out there again. And I hope this is not the last drift event of the year. I know there's maybe one or two more left before it gets too cold. So we'll see how that works out. Again, the schedule's always tough, but do the best. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.